Welcome or welcome back to French Action. My name is Jenny. Imagine you are in a place where objects are being scanned. Can you name the 12 objects you will see on the conveyor belt? The answers will be given at the end of the exercise, and I will pronounce all the words for you. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Des lunettes, des lunettes, glasses. Une clé, a key. Une clé USB, a flash drive. Une clé USB. Un portefeuille. Un portefeuille. Un portable. So this is for a wallet, un portefeuille, and mobile phone, un portable. Une montre, a watch. Une souris, which is the same word as a mouse, meaning the animal. Une souris. Un porte-monnaie. Un porte-monnaie. Un peigne. And this is a porte-monnaie for a purse and a comb for un peigne. Un crayon. Un crayon. Un carnet. Un carnet. Une pièce. Here is for the word for a coin. Donc, je répète, un crayon for a pencil, un carnet for a notebook, and une pièce for a coin. Did you know all these words and did you get them right? Bravo if you did. But don't worry if you didn't. Just learn the words one by one with their article, you know, the un for the masculine and the une for the feminine. And of course, I'm counting on you for liking and sharing the videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir.